Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we wanted to see if we could make ice cream with things in our pantry, right?
Yes.
So first of all, okay, well there's just 3 ingredients. There's 3/4. You can put it in. It's 3/4 cup of sugar, and well, let's put some other things in before we mix it up.
No, I gotta mix it with sugar.
Okay, then we're gonna add in 2 cans of evaporated milk, and this is the full fat evaporated milk. We always have a few cans in our pantry. So evaporated milk is just milk that's been, the liquid's been reduced by half. Oops, you get all in it. Oh, you got to get the other can too. Get the other can in.
No, but
so it's a little richer and creamier than fresh milk, which should be great for ice cream. And this is something we kind of always have. So milk, okay, milk, sugar, and here, hold it at an angle. That would keep you from getting splashed. Okay.
Splashed a lot.
So we have our they're 12-ounce cans. 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. And we're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract.
Yes.
So do a full one. Okay, oh, that's good. I think that's good. That's a full one, and then just do half. Just do half of that and a whole one. That's good. Okay, so we're just gonna mix that up and get it all mixed together. So I'm not cooking it ahead of time, so I'm hoping the sugar will dissolve into the mixture. We'll find out. This is the first time we've done this. First time we made pantry ice cream. Okay, mix it up really good. Okay, well it looks like you've got it mixed in there pretty good. I can't move this any closer because it's plugged in right there. Okay.
Okay, Mama.
Do you want to pour it in?
Yeah, I can do it.
Do we need to get you a stool first?
So it's right there. Yeah, can you go grab me the one by the popcorn machine downstairs?
Is that where it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Down by the popcorn machine.
I'll be right back. So we're just going to pour it into the ice cream machine and let it do its thing until it gets to kind of a nice soft serve, ice creamy texture.
And then whenever it's like this.
Okay.
No, whenever it's like this,
Not
you use
this
a
good.
teaspoon.
Well, that's going to take a long time. Let me see, maybe I can pour it in without spilling. Okay. We are going to let that turn into ice cream and we'll be back. So we put the ice cream in the freezer for a couple of hours because we wanted it some firmer. So you can see it's kind of close to ice cream consistency. Kind of a soft ice cream. Watch this. Mia! The ice cream's ready! Before you put the toppings on, how about try the ice cream and tell me how it tastes. Is it pretty good?
Yummy. Now time for the fudge.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like vanilla.
Does it taste like regular ice cream or pretty close?
Pretty close to regular ice cream like this. It's good.
It is good. Not bad for ice cream from your pantry. See you next time.